Hello friends, this is Kishore Mule from Rajiv Gandhi College of Engineering, Research and Technology, Chandrapur. Today I wish to discuss with you some examples related to work and time. On this particular topic, questions are frequently asked in your placement written examinations. The solution to these questions are simple. Let us discuss one example now. A, B, and C can do a piece of work in 6, 8, and 12 days respectively. B and C work together for 2 days. Then A takes C's place. The question is, how long will it take to finish the work? So let us do some data collection. The data collection reads as under: work done by A in 1 day. So we all know that A takes 6 days to complete the work, and therefore work done by A in 1 day is equal to 1 by 6. On the same lines, B takes 8 days to complete the work, and therefore work done by B in 1 day is 1 by 8. Same for C. Work done by C in 1 day is equal to 1 by 12. Additional data that is given to us is B and C work together for 2 days, and after 2 days A takes C's place. The question is, how long will A and B take to finish the work? So let us move to the solution part. Work done by B and C in 2 days is given by 2 multiplied by 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is nothing but work done by B in 1 day, plus work done by C in 1 day, that is 1 by 12. So when you solve this equation, 2 into 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12, we get 5 by 12 part of the work. Now let us calculate the remaining work. Work remaining is given by 1 minus 5 by 12. So when you solve this, you get a numerical value of 7 by 12. Now let us calculate work done by A and B in 1 day. It is given by 1 by 6, that is work done A takes 6 days and B takes 8 days to complete the work, and therefore work done by A and B in 1 day is given by 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8. You get a value of 7 by 24. Therefore, 7 by 12th part of the work will be completed in 1 upon work done by A and B in 1 day multiplied by remaining work. Here the value of remaining work is 7 by 12. And what is the work done by A and B in 1 day? So let us find out that. The work done by A and B in 1 day is given by 7 upon 24. So when you do 1 upon 7 upon 24, effectively you will get 24 upon 7 multiplied by 7 upon 12. So when you solve this, you will get answer as 2 days. So dear friends, A and B together will take 2 days to finish the work. So before closing, if you like the video, do press the like button. If you wish to see more such videos, subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.